Primetime News this evening, Finance Minister slashes budget with fourth supplementary estimates. Former MP Joylan Silvere to face the court this week. And Manchester police make breakthrough in ongoing predial larceny in the parish.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, a number of Jamaicans felt that their income would increase coming into 2024. I'll give you the reasons behind that a little later on.
All right, and for a preview of what's to come in Primetime Sports, here's Spencer Darlington.
Thank you, Herman. Well, a Jamaican world champion and his coach are looking forward to a podium finish at this summer's Paris Olympic Games. We'll have the details on that and more in Primetime Sports later.
Definitely looking forward to that. And we also have sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. Given the number of bad roads in the country, do you think the government can effectively execute the $40 billion Spark program?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.